Time starts now.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about my experience in Taekwondo and the Taekwondo. Okay, Taekwondo is an Korean martial art. It means the way of the foot and the fist, and a lot of people think that karate and Taekwondo are the same thing. But the truth is that it's not the same thing, because in karate they use more the hands, and the defense are more different more than Taekwondo. In Taekwondo, we use more the feet and some kicks, and the defense are more different and more different than the karate defense. Next one, please. In my experience, I've been practicing Taekwondo since I was a kid. Like I don't remember the time that I was practicing Taekwondo, maybe 10 years ago. But I learned a lot of things. I learned how to kick like this photo. I learned how to break the wood, make the wood, and yeah, I learned how to protect myself and how to protect other people. And yeah, the next one, please. The real benefits. A lot of people think that the Taekwondo doesn't have benefits, but yeah, it really has benefits. One of the most important benefits is the flexibility. Of course, you will know how to protect yourself, and yeah, you will know how to fight, of course. And I think that the most important thing that Taekwondo teach you is the control of your emotions. My teacher said if you don't know how to control your emotions, you didn't learn the real Taekwondo. So yeah, the Taekwondo is here in the mind. It's not the kicks. It's not those movements, right? The next one, please. And of course, Taekwondo is a way of life. Why? Because when you're in your normal life, in your life, you don't know how to be confident. You don't know how to be how to control your emotions. And Taekwondo shows you or teach you that, and that's why it's a way of life.